Hello there, welcome to DevTech Media YouTube channel once again. So in this tutorial right here, I'll be teaching you exactly how I created this delicious chicken design from scratch. That being said, let's get started. So let's hide this one. First thing you do is you select your background color, which is white. Then you click on shape, increase the shape, increase it, let it touch both sides. Then change it to your desired color. Mine is orange. Yeah, this is orange. Okay, then you bend it a little bit, increase the size of this. Yes, I think we are getting it. Okay, the next thing you do is you import the photo of your chicken. I've downloaded mine already and I'll just import it now. Okay, here is it. I've not found it. Here is it. Okay, so it's tilted already. You don't need to tilt it anymore. You can just reduce the size. Okay, reduce the size. I think you can still turn this a little bit. Yeah, nice. Okay, so we want to create an effect that will make this chicken plate look as if it's on top of this shape, this square shape. So what you do is you click on shapes here, then you come to opacity, reduce it to 0%, move down, increase the blur radius, then come over to stroke width, increase the stroke width to your choice, then change the shape to circle. Okay, then select black color. You can reduce this, increase the blur radius. You can work on the opacity a little. You don't need it. Okay, then you can tilt it too. And you move this to the back of the chicken, the plate of chicken. Okay, and you adjust it to the best of your ability so it doesn't look anyhow. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, I think this is it. Yes, this is it. So you can just decide to drag this a little, move it up, then put it on top of it. Yes, we've gotten the effect. So the next thing I did was I wrote delicious. At this point, if you are watching this video, please just take 1 minute and click the subscribe button, then ding the bell icon right next to it so that you get updated every time I drop a new video. Then you come over here and you change it to this font, adorable. I'll drop a link to it in the description. Then you change the color to orange. Yes, okay, so here is it. The next thing I did was to import the photo of a sunburst effect. Then just click import, takes you to your gallery, then you search for the effect. Here is it. Okay, so I adjusted mine by clicking crop, and I changed the side, then I increased it. Okay, increased it, then move this to the back. Okay, you can then change the color to the color of whatever is in your design. Right now we are using orange, so let's just continue with it. Then you reduce the opacity. Okay, you don't want it too disturbing, so just just put it there a little. Okay, delicious chicken, and you insert the chicken right beneath it. Change the color. I think I used green, this green here, then I put it in the darker shade. Then I changed it to Montserrat bold. Okay, so the next thing I did was I wrote Z's kitchen. That was the heading. Z's kitchen. Okay, I'll be right back now. Okay, welcome back again. So this is Z's kitchen. Then I changed the color. Alright, and I changed the font also to Montserrat, one of those light Montserrat fonts. Montserrat. Yes, use light. Medium. Let's go. No, medium is still too strong. Montserrat light. Okay, you can reduce the size and then centralize it. Let's bring it to the center. Then I increase the spacing. Okay, bring it back to the center again. Alright, I think that is done. Okay, so what was the next thing I did? Let me check it. Into front. Okay, so the next thing you will do is write order now right beneath the food image. Let's hide this again. Okay, lock. Order now. Okay, then you can bend this, increase the size, and then bring it here. You can then change the font to Montserrat black. Then you change the color to white again, and you bring it down right beneath this shadow. Okay, that is done. You can then adjust it, just bend it until you know it's very much fitted. Okay, then we can then adjust the curve of the font. Yes, it'd be great if you do it this way. Okay, you see that now? Right, so you then copy the sunburst effect. Just click on it and you click here and click copy. Alright, so next thing you do is you turn it. So it faces this way. Then you change the color to white. Okay. Alright, so you can see that now. And the next thing you will do is I need you to put this under the food, under the chicken rather. then you can lock it so that it will not be affecting your work. Okay, so the next thing you do is you click shape, then increase the radius of this, reduce the size, and increase its length. Then I think this is too bent in my opinion. This is too bent, so I can just straighten it up a little. Okay, let's work on the curve. Just take your time and make sure you set it very well, as much as possible. Sorry about that. Okay, let's just leave the way it was before. Okay, this was a little bent. Yes, let's do it this way. Yes. Okay, so we can now continue by writing call contact. Let's write in the random number there. +2348165235373. Okay. Let's make it complete. For enquiries, contact. Okay, you can then reduce the sizing, reduce it, then centralize it, and you can change the color to orange. Okay, and change the font to Montserrat to okay. I think we are done with that, so you can go ahead and create yours. Just take your time and make it as beautiful as possible. Let's change the color of this chicken text. Okay, yeah, this is the effect. So the next thing, the last thing you will do is just add a little tweak on this delicious, and to do that you just click on text, then you can write any text of your choice, make it in capital letter, and then you go to font. There's a font I have, little todos. I'll drop a link to it in the description. Okay, you can then increase the size of this, increase the size, change the color, okay, increase the size, and you can move it to okay, and you can move it here and then reduce the size. You can then curve it to add a little beauty to it. Okay, yeah, now here is it. Then you can add another effect on the text, a little effect, which is inner shadow. Enable it, head over to orange, click this plus icon, increase the orange, as much as possible. Then don't touch on the blur radius, just leave it at 5 and increase the offset. Let's still work on the color a little. Let's move it towards the bright end. Okay. You can then bring this. I think we've gotten that created. Yes, so this is it. You can go ahead and create yours. Take your time and make it as beautiful as possible. So I would like to see you create yours. See you in the next video. Please do well to subscribe this button and hit the bell icon so that you'll be able to see the next time I drop new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. See you in the next one.